सो गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। सो हम लोगों ने ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में वी सॉल्व द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ सेपरेशन ऑफ सब्सटेंस, लेसन नंबर 5. ओके, सो हाउ टू सेपरेट द सब्सटेंस फ्रॉम different materials, right? Dust, sand and all. We studied the methods: hand picking, threshing, winnowing and sieving, right? So you all must be knowing till now how the separation is done in different methods, right? So in this video we'll start with sedimentation, decantation and filtration. These are the method of separating the liquid substances. So let us firstly read out the topics. So sometimes it may not be possible to separate the components of a mixture by winnowing and hand picking. For example, there may be lighter impurities like dust or salt particles in rice or pulses. How such impurities can be separated from rice and pulses? So आप घर में देखते होंगे कि your mother would be washing rice, dal before preparing it, right? So when you add water to the impurities like dust particles, it gets separated. Yes, when we add the water to the rice, to the dal, the dust which is there gets separated, and these impurities directly go into the water. So the sink, आप कभी भी देखना, जो भी डस्ट रहता है, जो लाइटर डस्ट रहता है, वो क्या होता है, पानी में ऊपर आ जाता है और हम लोग उस पानी को बाद में प्योर कर लेते हैं, राइट? दिस प्रोसेस. So when the heavier component in a mixture settles up after water is added in it, the process is called sedimentation. मतलब जो heavier components होते हैं इसके डस्ट के, सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या करते हैं राइस में, वी सेपरेट द सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स बाय हैंड, और फिर जो लाइटर पार्टिकल्स होते हैं डस्ट, वी सेपरेटेड बाय द यूज ऑफ वाटर. दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज सेडिमेंटेशन. When the water is removed, the process is called decantation. Decantation मतलब जब वो वाटर को हम लोग डस्ट के साथ रिमूव कर देते हैं उस राइस में से, then it is known as the process of decantation. So the same principle is used for separating a mixture of two liquids that do not mix with each other. For example, oil and water. Oil और water क्या होता है, साथ में मिक्स नहीं हो सकता. Yes, so what we mix the both the particles, and what the oil always floats in the water. Like this process is taken place. अभी filtration क्या होता है, whenever we make tea, क्या करते हैं हम लोग, जो टी लीव्स होते हैं उसको सेपरेट कर देते हैं. दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज filtration. We separate the tea leaves from the tea using the strainer. This is known as filtration. Now see this activity 5. Activity 5 में क्या समझाया हमें कि we have to just collect some muddy water from pond, and we have to keep it for some time, and you have to see that the heavier particles, it gets settled down in the glass and the water gets rise. So this is our small activity which we will see, which you can see by own at your home. अभी देखो इधर फिल्टर पेपर से हम लोग कोन कैसे बनाते हैं, and how do we filter the dust from the water. We have to just prepare a small cone, और उसमें हम लोग वो सैंडी वाटर, मडी वाटर, बहुत छोटा सा नीचे से we have to make a small hole, and then we can see that the pulp, the dust will remain in the cone and the water will be filtered. It is known as the process of filtration. It can be done by the use of fine cloth also. Now the next process is evaporation. Evaporation क्या होता है, सबको पता है. जब भी हम लोग एक कुछ भी एक्टिविटी, इन दिस एक्टिविटी इट इज गिवन दैट इन अ बीकर वी हैव टू boil the water, salted water, and you have to see that the water gets evaporated. This is the process of making salt from water. Sea water क्या करते हैं, the sea water is kept in a box like sand, and it is then the water gets evaporated and we get the salt. Like this, whenever we keep the water for boiling, what happens if we boil it for more time? So the water gets evaporated. This is known as the process of evaporation. Now see, the process of conversion of water into its vapor is called evaporation. When the water gets converted into vapor, it is known as the process of evaporation. The process of evaporation takes place continuously wherever water is present. Now see, here the method of obtaining salt from sea water is given. Use of more than one method of separation. Now see here the process of condensation is explained in the figure. Evaporation और condensation क्या होता है? देखो यहाँ पे टी में केटल में क्या हो रहा है, वाटर जो है वो बॉईल हो रहा है, तो यहाँ से जो वेपर निकल रही है, इधर एक प्लेट में हम लोगों ने आइस रखा है, तो वो क्या हो रहा है, वो आइस मेल्ट होके उसमें पानी निकल रहा है. दिस इज द नोन एज प्रोसेस ऑफ कंडेंसेशन. द प्रोसेस ऑफ कन्वर्शन ऑफ वाटर वेपर इनटू इट्स लिक्विड फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड एज condensation. When with the help of the water the solid liquid particles convert into the liquid is known as condensation. So these are the process of separating the liquid substances: sedimentation, decantation and filtration. What is the process of separating the solid particles? Hand picking, threshing, winnowing and sieving. Here the activities are given in which there are various activities. You just read out and you will understand the activities. Some activities are which are to be performed at home, and some activities you can just read and understand the method of the separation of liquid substances and solid substances. So here keywords are given. Just copy these keywords 5 times in your notebook and read out the chapter so that you can understand the chapter easily. In the next video, we'll start with lesson number 6, changes around us. Thank you.